Artatawe, 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 Artatawe. Hello user, my name is Keone and I'll be your guide showing you the Artatawe. In this first part I will show you how to register a user, log in and log out. So let's go. Right, here I've got the login screen up. So if I'd like to register a new user, all I simply have to do is click register new user and then this dialog box comes up. So if I enter in my details, so ECS Jens, and my name is Jens Blank, my number is 01792 602 917, and then I'll input my address here. So I'm just putting in all this dummy data. What I wanted there, yep, very good. And let's just add this in. And then once I'm done, I can just click OK, and it will automatically log me in there. So if I wanted to log out, all I have to click is this log out button, and it takes me back to the login screen, and then I can test if I've been added to the system. What was I? Jens, login, and there we go. So I click log out. There again is how to log out. Thank you. I hope that has been helpful, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Goodbye. Artatawe, Artatawe, Artatawe. Explosive.